I offended? What have I done to deserve all these pains, all this suffering? But you said in your book, in Psalm 121, that I will lift up my eyes for where cometh my help. My help cometh from you, Lord, that made heaven and earth. You said you will not support my foot to be moved. You that keepeth me neither sleep nor slumber. You said you will preserve my soul. You will preserve me from all evil. And you will preserve my life. Save me, oh God. Save me, oh God, for the waters have come up to my neck. I sink in deep mire where there is no foothold. I have walked into deep waters. I have walked into deep waters, and the flood has swept over me. I am weary with my crying. My throat is parched. My eyes are dim, waiting on you, God. All these years, despite my situation, I've been working in your house to ensure that your house is clean. I use my voice to glorify your name. I use my voice to praise and worship you. Why did my life have to end like this? I have worked diligently in your house. Why did my life have to end like this? Why did it have to end like this?